Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a playlist on YouTube on your iPhones or any phone that is whatsoever. So it's just going to be showing you guys how to create a playlist on the YouTube mobile app pretty well. So all you have to do to create a playlist is head over to the YouTube application, open that up. Once you're on the YouTube homepage here, you just want to find a video that you're interested in adding to a playlist. So once you find a video that you're interested in adding to a playlist, just click on the little three dots just to the right bottom corner of the video. It's just right under the time. So just click on the three dots and then you'll see an option to save to playlist. So let's go ahead and click on save to playlist and then click on new playlist at the very top. And then here you could create a title for your playlist. So you could just put test for this video's purpose. And then if you click on this last option here, you could choose to make this playlist public so everyone subscribed to you and everyone who goes and looks at your page can see it, or you can just click on private so only you can see this playlist. Totally up to do what you want to do here. But once you decide on an option, you just go ahead and click on create. And then that playlist will now be created with that video in it. If you head over to your library and to playlists, you will see that this playlist is here. I do have a ton of playlists on my channel, but you'll notice that your playlist will be here once you just refresh it, and you'll see your playlist right here with that video in it right there. I hope hope this was able to help you guys out. If it was able to help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.